Present, continuous, tense. The present continuous in English is the tense that contain two components, the present time and the continuous aspect. The present time describes everything that is now, or any time that includes now. The continuous aspect expresses the continuation of the action. Something is progressing, ongoing, continuously happening. The present continuous of any verb is composed of two parts. The helping verb to be in the present tense and corresponding form, plus the present participle of the main verb. The present participle is formed by adding ing to the base verb. Be careful. Some verbs are not usually used in the continuous form. We can't use any continuous tense, including the present continuous tense, with stative verbs. So we use the present simple with stative verbs. Questions and negatives. As a rule, helping verbs help to ask questions or make negatives. So, in the present continuous tense, for the question, we just move the helping verb to be before the subject. For the negative, we just add not after the helping verb to be. The present continuous tense is used to express actions happening now, at this moment. Actions happening now, during this period of time. Temporary states. We use the present continuous to talk about temporary states, which are true around the moment of speaking. Repeated temporary events. We use the present continuous to describe actions which are repeated or regular, but which we believe to be temporary. Temporary situations change. We use the present continuous to talk about a gradual change. Time indicators help to determine the tense in a sentence. For the present continuous tense, following time indicators are typical. Now, right now, at this moment, at the moment, at present, these days, nowadays, this year, this month, this week. Word order. Notice that the time expression can come at the start or at the end of the sentence.